In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Streamlabs virtual camera for Zoom, Discord, and Skype. A virtual camera lets you send a custom video feed into your meeting apps, so what people see isn't just your plain webcam, it's the scene you build in Streamlabs desktop. We'll download Streamlabs, set up a scene, turn on the virtual camera, select it in Discord, Zoom, or Skype, troubleshoot if it doesn't show up, optimize performance, and wrap up by stopping the virtual camera. Start by heading to the official Streamlabs desktop website and downloading the app for your operating system. During installation, make sure you allow camera access and approve the virtual camera components when prompted. On Windows, double-check your privacy settings to ensure camera access is enabled for apps. On Mac, grant camera permissions in system settings when macOS asks. These permissions are essential. Without them, the virtual camera won't appear in your other apps. Open Streamlabs desktop and create or load a scene. This scene is what people will see as your camera. Add your webcam, a screen, or window capture if you're presenting something, and any images or overlays you want. Arrange layers so your webcam isn't hidden behind other sources, and keep the layout clean and readable for your audience. Next, start the virtual camera. Click the settings gear, go to virtual webcam, and click Start Virtual Webcam. Once it's running, leave Streamlabs open in the background. It needs to stay active for your video feed to work in other apps. To use it in Discord, open Discord and go to User Settings with the gear icon. Select Voice and Video, then under Camera, choose Streamlabs Desktop Virtual Camera. You should see your Streamlabs scene show up in the preview. For Zoom or Skype, open the app, go to Video Settings, and pick Streamlabs Desktop Virtual Camera as your camera. You'll get a preview there too, and you can switch back to your regular webcam anytime if needed. If the camera doesn't appear, restart the virtual webcam in Streamlabs, then restart the app you're using, Discord, Zoom, or Skype. Also, make sure no other program is actively using your physical webcam, since that can block Streamlabs from accessing it. For best performance, keep Streamlabs open during your call. If the video looks laggy, lower your output resolution in Streamlabs and simplify the scene by removing heavy animations or extra sources. Remember, audio is separate. Choose your microphone inside the app you're using. When you're finished, return to Streamlabs and click Stop Virtual Webcam. That's it. You're now using Streamlabs as a virtual camera for meetings, classes, or streaming. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Skype tips and tutorials.